Good morning, friends, and welcome to a new day. It also happens to be Tasty Tuesday, and I have some fun stuff planned for the kitchen. But before we begin, we have to start with our morning song. Can you sing along with me? Remember, we start by tapping our legs. It's time to start our day. It's time to start our day. It's time to give a great big cheer. It's time to start our day. All right, let's get right into our calendar. Our month is still September, which starts with our S sound, and our S's are swiggly. But now we need to figure out the day of the week. So just to remember, yesterday was Monday with our M at the beginning, but now we need to figure out what today is. So let's sing our Days of the Week song and see if we can figure it out. So we're going to sing it once all the way through, and the second time I'm going to stop on Monday and see if you guys can remember what comes after Monday. There's Sunday and there's Monday, there's Tuesday and there's Wednesday, there's Thursday and there's Friday, and then there's Saturday. Days of the week, days of the week, days of the week, days of the week, days of the week. All right, time for round number 2. But remember, I'm stopping on Monday. So let's see if you remember what comes next. There's Sunday and there's Monday. It's Tuesday. Today is Tuesday, which is why we call it Tasty Tuesday. So I'm going to add Tuesday to our wall, and then it's time to figure out what number we're on. All right, friends, so since it's a school day, I'm going to add our school day sticker to the wall. And this is also where we need to count to. Are you ready to do some counting? I brought my star pointer today to help us out. So we're going to start with the number 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. What do you think comes next? If yesterday was 21, and I'll take it off the wall so we can take a closer look. So remember, 21, it's 2, 1. The 2 is for 20. The 1 is for 1. So 21. So what would come next? And remember what I said about last week about numbers and patterns. After 1 comes the number 2. But if we're in the 20s, after 21 should come 22. So again, the first 2 is for 20, the second 2 is for 2, 22. So I'm going to put these back up on our wall because we need to take a look outside for our weather. So our weather's supposed to be another sunny day, so I'm going to add it to our weather chart. And it's going to get a little bit warmer out, so make sure you try to get some time outside to play today. Okay, friends, so for Tasty Tuesday today, we're making friendship treats, which are a little bit like a Rice Krispie treat, but instead of using Rice Krispies, we're using Lucky Charms. And each of the marshmallows in a box of Lucky Charms stands for one thing that makes up a good friend. So I brought a bowl with the little marshmallows inside so I can show you. So first we're going to start with the heart. The little heart marshmallows represent kindness because part of being a good friend is being kind. Then we have our shooting stars, which stands for loyalty, which is a fancy way of saying, it's a big word for saying that you stand by your friend. So if somebody is being mean to your friend, you stand by them and you say, stop. That's not being kind. And remember, kindness is our number 1. The second one is our horseshoe, which means teamwork. Teamwork is working together. In other words, working together to get something done. Like maybe you want to build a really tall tower out of Legos, or you want to see how long you can keep the ball off the ground by passing it back and forth. Our next one is our little clover, and that one stands for encouragement. Part of being a good friend is encouraging or cheering your friend are, or maybe they're a little shy about going to school, and you can say, hey, it's okay, you can do it, I'll be right there with you. You're cheering them on, you're encouraging them. After encouragement comes our moon marshmallow. And for that one, it's respect. We're recognizing that not all of our friends are the same, and everybody has their own things that they like and don't like. Because it's okay if there are things that your friend likes to play with and you don't. Or if you love swinging really high on the swings at school, but your friend does not. That's okay. It's okay to be different. Our next one is the rainbow for smiles. Smiles are what we call contagious. So if you see somebody smiling, you're more likely to smile. And sometimes if a friend is feeling a little sad, all they really need to see from you is a big smile on your face to kind of help cheer them up. Next we have our red balloon, which is for fun because it's always fun to have a friend to play with. And last is our pot of gold. I don't have a pot of gold in my bowl. I forgot to pull them out of the cereal box. But our pot of gold represents sharing. And that's a big part of being a good friend. Because if we don't share with our friends, they're not going to want to play with us anymore. And then what happens? You're playing all by yourself. And that's not a lot of fun. So while you are making your friendship treats today or later this week with a grown-up, I want you to keep in mind what each of those marshmallows represents. All those different characteristics, all those different things that make up a good friend. I can't wait to hear about your cooking adventures today, and I will talk to you soon. Bye!